In a small society at the dawn of human civilization, nestled in a fertile valley, the community faces three crucial economic questions that will shape their future: what to produce, how to produce, and for whom to produce. The first challenge is deciding what to produce. The people of the valley, farmers, hunters, and artisans, are aware of the different needs their society faces. Should they focus on increasing food production to sustain their growing population, or should they prioritize crafting tools and weapons to defend against neighboring tribes? Perhaps clothing made from animal skins is essential. Or should they invest in building more shelters to protect themselves from the elements? These decisions are not easy. If they dedicate more time to producing food, they may lack the resources to make other important goods, like tools or clothing. Yet, if they focus on weapons or shelters, they risk food shortages in the coming seasons. Each choice has consequences, and every decision requires careful consideration of trade-offs. Once they agree on what to produce, the community faces the next pressing question: how to produce it. The methods and resources they use to create their goods are just as important as the goods themselves. Should they continue using simple manual labor, or should they experiment with new techniques to increase efficiency? Could they use the nearby river to irrigate the fields, or would it be better to rely solely on rainfall? How will labor be divided? Should some specialize in weaving baskets while others focus on farming or hunting? One of the elders suggests organizing the workforce based on age or skill, but concerns about efficiency arise. What if some workers are faster or more skilled than others? These considerations go beyond mere production techniques. They are about finding the best balance between human resources, technology, and the land to maximize output. Finally, the most difficult question emerges: for whom are these goods being produced? In every society, resources are scarce and not everyone has the same share. Should all the food be shared equally among the tribe, regardless of who contributed? Or should the elders, seen as the wise leaders, receive a larger portion for their guidance? What about the hard workers, the farmers, the hunters? Should they be rewarded more for their labor? The distribution of goods is a delicate matter. If the rewards are too unequal, it could cause division and resentment. If they are too equal, it might undermine the motivation for hard work and innovation. The tribe must find a fair system that recognizes both need and contribution, ensuring that no one goes hungry, but also rewarding those who contribute the most. As the sun sets over the valley, the community reaches a consensus. They decide to produce a bit more food while also investing in better tools to increase efficiency. They will divide the labor among specialized groups, but ensure that those who perform the hardest work are compensated in a way that feels fair to everyone. When it comes to distribution, they agree on a system that takes both need and contribution into account, aiming for fairness without stifling the drive for innovation and effort. These three fundamental questions: what, how, and for whom to produce, are not just about economics. They reflect the values, priorities, and social structure of a society. The choices the tribe makes will shape its future, just as they continue to shape the modern world. From the earliest human tribes to the most advanced economies today, these questions remain central to how societies function and evolve.